It's that time. We're heading to Catherine Creek today. I just finished the tour, so this is the next video, but it's the same day. Don't give me a hassle on wearing the same shirt 2 days in a row. I've done a lot worse, I promise you that. Now, I did run into town, and they didn't have any, where I went, they didn't have any metal forks or anything, so I just got some plastic forks, which is fine. And I also got some plates, which is very needed for making food.
I can't recall when I last saw the sun. Summer's just a memory, a faded piece of history. No one can remember all the fun. The late night barbecue, zipping on a gin and juice, cruising down the road, no thought getting old. The girls are hot but the beer is cold. Yeah, that's the way we roll. Bathing in the sun, on the beach having fun. Whoa, these lazy days are never done.
I'm just gonna walk around to the front because I came in the exit, so I'll go see if you gotta pay. Look at this place. Isn't that gorgeous? And there's a creek that runs through here, and that's about all I know. Sorry, sunflower seeds. Can't do a road trip without sunflower seeds. $10. That's nice. Pay within half hour of arrival. There's an envelope. I don't have a pen. So, silly me, I arrived here and I just kind of scoped the place out. There's a nice creek that runs by. And I was thinking about doing some fishing, and I was like, I don't really want to fish. I'm not the best fisherman in general, so river fishing is kind of out for me. And then I was just kind of sitting around like, what should I film? Because I can't fly my drone here, I don't believe, because it is a state park. So, I totally forgot that I missed a spot. On the map, Colby was like, hey, on your way, if you want something to do, check out Thief. So it doesn't look like it's too far from here. And I was thinking we could just do a quick turnaround and go check it out quickly. And then head back, spend the night here, and then tomorrow morning, head back to the factory and do a couple more videos there. So let's just head there right now. I don't know what to expect, but I kind of want to go for a cruise and see some more things. So let's do it, guys.
Coming on Friday night, I see my friends and feel alright. There ain't no stopping us from having fun. There ain't no cloud in sight. The future is looking bright. Cruising down the road, no thought of getting old. Girls are hot, but the beer is cold. Yeah, that's the way we roll. Bathing in the sun, on the beach having fun. Whoa, these lazy days are never done.
this. Look at this place. There's cows crossing the road. Oh man. And there's camp spots. Look at how beautiful it is here. My one question, and my one concern is why is it empty? This is a gorgeous campground. Right on the lake or reservoir, sorry, not lake. You got cows like 50 yards over there, just staring at me. I passed a boater on the way up here. So there's obviously fish in it. I mean, it is midweek, but why is there nobody here? I mean, and it's free. If there's a free campground on Vancouver Island, it would be busy all year round. If you can see way over there, there's windmills. You come, well, you're at the top of the valley and you can see bird's eye view of this reservoir. And the drive down just twists and turns and just beautiful. Just gorgeous. There's some gorgeous countryside over here. I'm not much of a country boy, but I want to go feed those cows. But cows don't like people, do they? Comment in the section below. Are cows like friendly? Like if you hold food, or are they kind of curious? Or are they more like almost like a wild animal where they don't want anything to do with you? Comment in the section below. I'm super curious. There are some babies over there, not so much babies, but like teens. And maybe I'll just avoid it because there's babies. I don't want mom to get mad. Oh yeah, comment in the section below if cows are aggressive. I don't know these things. Oh, and it's creepy when they all stare at you. I just saw one run, like kind of run away from the truck, and I was surprised how fast they can move. Just text Colby. I said, why is there nobody here? He's like, isn't that a nice place? Watch out for rattlers. What? I was just walking in that long grass. Holy jeez, let's get out of here. I think I'm gonna take off and head back to the other campsite. Spend the night, and then from there I'm only probably a 20-30 minute drive, not even, to back to the factory, where tomorrow we are going to do a tour with me and Colby of one of the bigger Nashes. I think it's the 26 something. So a little bit bigger than this. It may even have a slide. So I'm excited to see a bigger version of this. And we're gonna do a quick Q&A. I did get some questions. Thank you so much for all the questions. I'm gonna answer, or get Colby to answer some of those questions, which will be awesome. And then if we can squeeze it in, I only have tomorrow, and then I gotta cruise back tomorrow night to the airport and leave at like 6:30 in the morning. So if we have time, I really wanna take you guys through a tour of a desert fox, one of those toy haulers. That would be really neat. I'd like to take a quick look at the Wolf Creek, but I may be coming back here to do what I did with this Nash with a Wolf Creek. So if that's the case, I'll talk to Colby a little bit, and if that's the case, then we won't get too involved in it, because we'll do it next time. But that's the plan, guys. So I hope you enjoyed this short little video, and I'm really glad that I came just to check out this area. This is really nice, really nice. I'm the only one in the whole valley. See you guys. Keep living that dream as always. I'm having a blast here. Bye. Move! Move! Bye guys! It was fun hanging out with you. I just wanted to add before tomorrow's video, you're probably curious about the diesel, driving the diesel. The diesel has been amazing. I'm taking it home with me. I wish. This truck is phenomenal. It hauls like there's nothing behind you. I mean, this trailer is super small, but just everything about this diesel, the quad cab, the sound of it. I'd love to load my truck camper up on here and see how it did. I did a review a while ago of kind of a similar truck, a newer truck, and boy, just the power that it has. Dear, two babies, guys. Look at. Hi. Hello.